Hello. Hello. Welcome to our restaurant. Thank you. Can I see the menu, please? Of course. Here you are. What do you recommend? Our grilled chicken is very popular. That sounds good. I'll have the grilled chicken.
Great choice. Would you like a drink? Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please. Sure. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. You're welcome. I'll bring your order soon.
Hello. Hello. May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Dubai.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place your bag on the scale.
Sure.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at gate 12 in 30 minutes.
Great, thanks.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
To London. I'm flying to London.
Do you have any checked luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay,
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 23B.
thank you. What time is boarding? Boarding starts at 9:30 a.m. Great, thank you. You're welcome. Welcome to London. May I see your passport, please? Of course, here you are. What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay in London?
Tourism for 1 week.
Where will you be staying? Do you have a return ticket?
At a hotel in the city center. Yes, I do.
All right, enjoy your stay in London.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello, I'd like to go to the city center hotel, please.
Sure, which hotel are you staying at?
The Royal London Hotel.
No problem. Please get in. How long will it take? About 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good evening. Welcome to the Royal London Hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's John Smith.
Thank you. Here is your room key. Your room is 305.
Great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Stay.
This room looks nice. I need some rest after the long flight. I will take a shower and relax. Hello, I'd like to order some food, please. Of course. What would you like? A sandwich and a cup of coffee, please? No problem. It will arrive in 20 minutes. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, how can I get to the city center?
You can take the metro or a taxi.
Which is faster?
The metro is faster during rush hour.
Great. Thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy the city.
This city is beautiful. I'm happy to be in London. I will take some photos and explore.